Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making chicken fried rice. So I'm going to cut the chicken into small pieces. So I'm using chicken breast, two chicken breasts that I'm going to cut into small pieces. You can use chicken thighs, but I'm using chicken breast today. Alright, the chicken is nice and diced. I'm going to transfer the chicken into a bowl. I'm going to marinate my chicken in 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of black pepper, and cornstarch. I'm just going to mix through. I'm gonna marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to prepare some sauce for my fried rice. I'm going to add soy sauce for 2 tablespoons, black pepper, oil, some oyster sauce, about a tablespoon oyster sauce. Now to add a little bit of flavor, I'm adding chicken stock. So I've got these cubes here, I've got 2 of them, and I'm going to just squash them into small pieces. Then just set aside. This is chicken stock, guys, or you can just find chicken seasoning or something like that. But I'm just gonna use the chicken stock cubes, dissolve them into the sauce. This is gonna bring more flavors. I'll let that sit. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Alright, let that sit. In a large pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Let that heat up. Alright, I'm going to bring the chicken. And just cooking the chicken until it's golden brown. Alright guys, I'm going to set this aside. Add a little bit of oil. Some onions. Just cook the onions for about 1 minute or so. And then I'm going to add garlic. Tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to add some peas. And 2 diced carrots, 2 carrots diced. I'm just going to cook this together. For about 1 to 2 minutes, guys. Guys, the carrot and peas are cooked. Now I'm going to just push this aside and add 2 eggs. Then cook the egg. Guys, the eggs are cooked. I'm going to push them aside, and then I'll bring my cooked rice. And then I'm mixing through. Just mix everything through, guys. Mix everything through. Alright guys, I'm bringing back the chicken. Some spring onion. And now I'm going to add the sauce that I made earlier. And then mix through and make sure everything guys is mixed together.